Boundaries. Rebuilding trust with yourself. Boundaries aren't just about others. They're also about you. After trauma, many survivors struggle with trusting themselves again. But each time you honor your own limits, you rebuild self-trust. And when you say, I won't answer calls after this time, and you follow through, you prove to yourself that your word matters. Boundaries are the bridge to trusting yourself again. Boundaries are the bridge to trusting yourself again. And I'm going to say it again. Boundaries are the bridge to trusting yourself again. So you no longer abandon your needs to please others. You stand. You stand with yourself firmly and faithfully. Affirmation. I trust myself to set and to honor my boundaries. Follow me at Mentally Sound Journey. Share this content in the comment box. Not in the comment box, but with someone that may be able to use it. Comment in the comment box. And as I always say, a stronger mind is a stronger you.